Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I made this t-shirt dress. This one has pockets, but the one I will be showing you does not have pockets. The pieces you will need for this video will be 2 sleeves cut on the fold, a front piece cut on the fold, a back piece cut on the fold, and a neck strip. I will be using my serger for this video. You can use a zigzag stitch. You're going to put right sides together and serge the shoulder seams like this. Next, you're going to take your sleeves and attach it to the dress. You're going to put good side of the fabric to good side of the fabric, and you're going to line them up and you're going to pin around so it'll be easier for you to serge like that. You're going to keep it right side to right side, and you're going to line up your side seams. You're going to pin up the side seams so it can be easier for you to sew, and then you're just going to serge along the inside of the side seams. Next, I'm going to take the neckband and I'm going to fold that in half, right sides to right sides, and serge it. Take your neckband and put it inside, good side to good side, and then you just serge around the top of it. And there you have it. You're all done. You can go ahead and hem the sleeves if you would like, or you can hem the bottom. Normally, I don't hem when I'm doing knit fabric. If you don't have a serger to complete this dress, you can always use a zigzag stitch on stretchy fabric. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you back at my next video. Bye. Have a good day.